back this truck up 1.5 miles down this old chip and seal road because there's nowhere to turn around at the end. I mean, I tried, but I got hung up trying to turn around. It was more difficult. I mean, it was impossible. And it ain't about it was more difficult. It was impossible to turn around. So I'm just in reverse. Backing up a bobtail. Trying to find a place to turn this thing around. And I'm literally on the side of a cliff. Cold's been great for business. Man, I'm ready for some cold without some snow. Been in this customer's house several times in the fall. That's beautiful. Real pretty waterfall right here next to me. You'll probably get a shot of it once I get up to the top. But maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, been in this customer's house several times and never had a problem with turning around. I mean, they got a pretty decent size little area, but it was impossible today. I often told people, if you got a CDL and you drive a big truck and you can't back the thing for miles, you shouldn't be driving. Because inevitably shit like this is gonna happen. Planned, not planned, on purpose, no one's fault. I mean, the customer was they got a family, they got small kids. They were at 3% on their propane tank. What am I gonna do? Let them freeze? Can't do that. Got a little bit off right then. Gotta be careful here. It's getting tighter on me. I wish you could see this passenger side. I mean, it's tight. This truck just barely fits. That's going forwards, much less going backwards. I don't know if I'm ever going to find anything to turn around at. I have to go all the way to the main highway like this. I can't remember if there's anything. I know their house is 2 miles out this road. I just can't remember if they're the only house or if there's somewhere I may get lucky and find a place to back up, turn around. I don't know if I'll be able to back up in somebody's driveway though. That'd probably be pretty hard. That was a joke. I like where that snow's right there, where I can tote that line. Looked up for a split second, got off course. house way back here. I don't know what the drive situation's like. We'll see when we get there. And you don't have to get in a rush when you're doing this. I say that as I'm getting in the gas a little bit. Actually, my foot's just kind of cramping from holding the constant pressure. But yeah, slow and steady here wins the race, man. You guys may think this is the most boring video I've ever made. I have no idea. To some of you, I'm sure it will be, and to some of you that drive trucks or get in these kind of situations, or respect it or understand why I did it. Hell, I was half a mile into the backup whenever I flipped the camera on. I just thought about it. I wasn't about to pull back down there and start over. The hell with that. Ain't no trespassing sign. Those are always great when you're looking for a place to turn around at. I think the main highway is just a little piece behind me. Still don't have much room on my passenger side at all, so I'm trying to cheat over just a little bit where I can see that patch of leaves right there. I keep thinking you guys have my view in this side mirror. That's the way I tried to set it up, but it wouldn't work. There wasn't nowhere to hold the camera. I was gonna do it, but it kind of looks sketchy. So, we've came up on the main road and I hear hell of traffic. So, it becomes a game of what to do from here. Alright guys, sorry you failed. Thanks for taking the back up with me. See you around, fellas and sisters!